like me?
Ano? Yes or no lang naman eh.
Yeah, crush, yes.
Yeah, bakit? Patuloy na tayo.
Samantala sa bahay ni Kuya, nagkalapit din sina Mitch at Angela.
Oh
My God! I'm not used to this. New people, new culture. Why do I like keep on looking at her?
Nagkabuhol-buhol naman ang damdamin ng teen housemates sa naganap na great crossover.
Lunch.
Kanina ka pa nila
Si Angela po, kuya, kakilala po kami, pero yun po, medyo nagagandahan po ako kay Angela, kuya. Tahimik lang. Awkward lang ng konti.
Ano ba yan, Dad?
Pakilala ka naman kay Ashley. Tsaka na. Ayun na,
Hindi din mapigil ang pag-usapan ng nararamdaman ng bawat isa.
Do you have something in Mitch?
Ha?
Do you have something in Mitch?
Me? Wala. Pero may something. Ano ba talaga?
Day, ang tanong, sino talaga ang gusto nung guy?
Ni Lance.
I'm gonna propose something like,
Like,
oh, it's okay to be friends like that.
yeah, that's what I meant.
Oo.
Like,
Tapos, okay lang man din, basta we know what we feel for each other, di ba?
the feelings are like there, but stay as friends, always.
Okay lang.
Yeah.
Saan nga kaya hahantong ang mga damdaming ito? Ang buong kwento dito lang sa PBB 8. Pinaumagahan sa bahay ni Kuya si Lance Piniro, si Shoichi.
Pagsabi ka, hi, Yen. Ah, hi, Yen. Mag-hi ka kay Yen. Hindi. Ayaw niya ako kausapin. Oh, ganyan kasi mga Pilipinas show. Kailangan mo habulin. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Ano ba pala? Ano ba sa
Hindi lang so ngayon yun. Ang hinahabol ang mga lalaki.
Kuya, wag logic. Aning katapad na ko eh. Talaga siya. Paano mo nasabi?
Nakakita ko sa akin sa inyo eh. Bro, nakakita ko sa inyo eh. Ang dami ko.
Grabe ka naman, bro. Yen. Yen. Hi.
Yen, hello.
Yen, hello daw yan. Wag mo eh. Hala.
Sorry!
La, nagtatampon na.
Okay lang naman, basta nag-hi sa akin.
Kaya. Na-awkward na ako.
Pero type mo si Yen.
Ano sa tingin mo? Ano bang tanong niya?
May tsura naman si Yen.
Hindi. O sige, next ako talaga. Sasagutin mo ah.
Takas ang boses mo, ano ka ba?
Sige. Type mo si Angela. Yes or no? Yes or no? Lalaki, yes or no? Lalaki, ano? Type mo?
Pero, hindi ko, sige, hindi naman sa hindi pwede, pero iniiwas ko lang mag kasi, may nangyari kasi sa camp. Alam mo, sabi ni Ashley. Oo. Pero na-clarify ko naman kay then sabi ko sa kanya na wala lang awkward, basta friends lang, pero alam na natin sa isa't isa na we like each other. Pero hindi yung magkumpleto yan. Ito obsession.
Gets ko.
Ito, siguro nandito lang. Siguro kung i-rate mo yung pagka-like naman sa isa't isa, nasa mga 3 out of 10 lang, ganun lang. Like, talaga, admire lang talaga.
Habang wala
At saka, umiiwas lang ako magkaroon ng tension dyan sa babae.
Talaga, siyempre. Curious din sa'yo si Angela sa'yo.
Ha?
Curious. Sabi curious, di ba, sa'yo? Tapos siya, may Mitch, nakikita na curious si Angela sa'yo. So parang iniiwasan nila ni Mitch para hindi magkakulo. Gets mo na yun, para maging... Di ba, siyempre, friends din kayo ni Mitch, di ba?
Oo, sobra. Di ba alam?
Oo, di ba?
Pero ayoko naman masyadong push up. Nakagusto rin yung isa sa akin. Ayoko naman rin siguro mag-assume or ayoko talaga i-feel pag push up siya sa akin. Ano mo, hindi pala.
Ilang sandali pa nagkwentuhan sina Lance at Angela tungkol sa hilig ni Angela na pagsasayaw.
Kasi diba, cha-cha, rumba, jive. Nag-standard ako, slow waltz, tango, tsaka quick step.
You have the big quick step.
Pinakamahirap yung standard, lahat nakaliyan. Pinakamasarap slow waltz.
Pero kahit waltz lang yan, dapat ano pa rin.
Hanggang top 4 lang kami. Hanggang top 4 lang.
Kaya,
Excited na ako makita ko sumayaw.
depende sa genre. Grabe.
Maya-maya, si Yen sumali sa kwentuhan ni Lance at Angela.
Paano nga nagkakilala? Social media lang.
Yes, sir. Yung mga mukha natin lumabas sa FB. Mukha natin lumabas sa FB. Tapos, yun, tingin ako. So, parang ganun lang.
Ganun lang. Social media lang. Kasi nakita ko din siya sa Star Hunt. Tapos nakita niya din ako sa Star Hunt. Yun, kuya,
Nagkausap lang kami before nun, tapos never pa kami nag-meet. Natutuwa ako, kuya, kasi mas nagkaroon kami ng chance magkakilala and mas naging deep po yung pagkakakilala namin sa isa't isa. Like, hindi po tulad sa social media. And everyday, nagkakausap kami, kuya. Yun, mas nakakatuwa.
Sinong lamang ngayon? Kahapon lamang si Ashley.
Ito talaga.
Hindi, feeling ko may something.
Paglipas ng ilang oras, ang boys nagkwentuhan sa garden area.
May sinabi sa akin si Ashley kanina. Parang di ba nagtimpla ako ng milk tea kanina. Kumapit si Ashley sa akin. Sabi niya parang susuko na daw siya. Parang ayaw na daw. Parang
Hindi.
susuko na talaga siya. Baka
Sa'yo,
kaya
sa kanya?
Kasi sila ni Angela. Diba?
Bakit ba yun? I'm not even sure if Angela likes me.
Diba, kunyari, narinig mo na na siya magsusuko na sa'yo.
Sige lang. Ako
Diba,
na.
diba sinabi sa'yo? Pero, hindi porket sinabi sa'yo nun, mag-a-adjust ka pa para sa kanya, iiwas kay Angela. Hindi mo gawin kung anong doon ka, diba? Ako dati, parang si Angela may feeling sa akin, pero wala. Parang ganun. Parang lang siya, she talks to you. Tanong mo to.
Yun yung sinasabi ko from day one pa lang kay Chakam. Sabi ko, ayoko talagang
Workout
umamin
tayo,
din ng tao kasi ayoko maka-conflict.
Mag-workout mo na.
Kita mo ngayon, wala pa ngang aminan nangyari sa amin. Conflict na.
Feeling ko medyo si Ashley wala na namang problema. Parang siya na lang yung
Kasi
malayo.
Oo, yun yung sabi ni Tan.
Pero hindi, feeling ko naman hindi galit. Parang wala lang, lumalayo na.
sabi
Oo.
Para iwas gulo.
Parang
Feeling ko lang,
iwas lang siya ba? Iwas.
Pero yun,
No, actually, sige, go ahead na lang.
First problems.
Kaya mo yan.
Problems.
Dami ng pugi points, may muscle pa.
Mission complete na guys.
1-0.
Nung wala ka pa, sila talaga ni Mitch.
Oo. But since you arrived talaga, wala na.
Kasi each day the tension keeps getting higher po, kuya. Ayoko naman po kasi iwasan silang dalawa, kuya, kasi parang gusto ko talaga makihalubilo sa housemates, ganun. Ayoko rin po talagang may ma-left out po. Gusto ko talagang lahat kami intact.
Kung patuloy na naguguluhan sila sa mga pangyayari, si Ashley nagbukas naman ng saloobin sa mga naging kasamahan sa camp na sina Jem at MJ.
What do you want to say?
Nothing. I miss like,
You miss the...
no, I miss like,
Why your reactions like that?
because I know what you're gonna say.
What?
You guys,
Say.
I get so
Say
very
it.
annoyed because you guys make it so awkward. Diba, we know the situation. Awkward na. And then,
Oo nga.
and then
Pansin ka.
I can't do anything but just to walk away now kasi sobrang awkward. The other housemates would always tease me and Angela like we're just a competition. We're competing over one boy. That's what it looks like. I know that it wasn't right, and I was getting very annoyed with that. But so it's really awkward now that I don't have anything to say. Like, dining table.
Minsan din talaga,
Go
tsaka
with the flow ka lang. Sige lang, go with the
kasi
flow.
parang mahirap pag inopen namin sa mga lalaki na awkward na si Ashley, ganun. Baka ma-misinterpret nila na KJ ka, ganun. Tama naman ginagawa mo na minsan, umalis ka na lang. Kasi hindi naman namin nahalata. Kasi tahimik ka naman talaga, di ba?
Sometimes talaga, napapansin ko rin kay Ashley minsan, kahit sabihin niya hindi ako nagselos.
Nagselos siya, oo.
Nakikita ko sa mga mata mo yung...
Tumitingin
"Oh,
siya.
Magsinungaling, magsinungaling ka, it's a sin, ha?
Tumitingin siya. Hindi, tsaka ganito yung tingin niyo.
No, okay then.
Tapos,
No,
Alam mo naman, lahat kami naranasan namin magselos, kaya alam namin.
like I don't know how Lance feels about me. That's what I'm like wondering. Like Angela has her mindset on Lance. Lance has his mindset on Angela. So I feel like it's hard to explain, but I'm not hurt, but I feel like I'm just in the sideline. Like I just disappeared all of a sudden from Lance like that. But I'm not hurt over it. I just want to know like where I went like that. That's why the reason why I'm giving way now is because I don't want.
Oo nga, sinabi mo na. Oo nga.
further.
Pero alam mo, Ashley, huwag mo munang isipin yung give way, give way.
Basta ang importante, huwag yung sisira ng yung sisirain mong friendship niyo dahil lang sa ganyan. Yan ang nangyari sa amin ni Lance, di ba? Kaya masaya ako sa amin ni Lance kasi kahit ganyan kami ni Lance, close na close pa rin kami.
Like that.
Ewan ko sa inyo, may issue kayo masyado.
Basta ako, labas ako dyan, wala.
Labas ka na.
Me too. I'm labas na.
Oo, hindi ka labas. Never ka magiging labas.
Yes, yes.
Labas tayo.
Hanggat tayo. Sige.
Me too.
Labas na kayo. Dito lang ako.
Me, I'm out.
Kinagabihan sa garden area, nagkaroon ng pagkakataon sina Lance at Ashley na makapag-usap tungkol sa tuksuhan sa bahay.
So I'm just going with the flow with everything.
Yeah, but the
Yeah.
people around us keep teasing.
I know, it's annoying.
I try as much as possible to like tell them that don't, because like maybe one of them is gonna get like, you know, pick on.
I'm starting to get to that point
Yeah.
where every move I make, it's like a competition between me and Angela. So I'm like, oh, I don't really care at this point. Like, might as well step out, let them do their thing. It's not because I'm jealous or hurt, it's just annoying now. It's like everything's a competition to them. You find it annoying as well, right?
Pero ayoko, yun nga sabi kasi umabot na sa point parang pinaglalaroan ko na lang daw. You get me? Like I'm just playing games with you guys. Your minds, I'm just playing with.
No, I know. No, it's not like that.
No, but like
It looks like it from
it looks like it.
perspective.
Yeah.
Nah, it's not like that.
Sorry na lang din.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Ilang sandali pa, si Lance may naitanong kay Ashley.
So, you don't have any na for me.
No, there's still. No, there's still. It's like more than the camp that I expected.
It's like,
Nothing. Nothing.
come on.
No, don't feel.
Heavier than the camp.
Yeah, it's heavier than the camp.
Be honest with me, If I say I like her, you like say I'm a hypocrite or something like that.
Why is it a hypocrite?
No, because like I like you. Ganun, di ba?
No, I don't.
Like,
I don't
ganun,
think
parang
that. I know.
I'm just passing the ball around just like that.
No.
No, but it looks like it from my perspective.
From your perspective, but I don't think that at all.
What I like think of you and Angela is just the same now. I
Yeah,
just
yeah.
admire you both. That's
what,
it.
what was I gonna say? That's why I don't want it to be a problem. I don't want it to be a big problem. But it seems like it affected you when I haven't been speaking to you like that. But there's still feelings there. It's just I feel like I need to leave it aside and just let you guys
Because I like napipikon ka na.
of the teasing. Yeah.
Kaya nga,
Uh,
I find it disturbing lang kasi we don't talk na kasi that much.
huh?
We don't talk that much na kasi. I find it like disturbing lang because I'm not used to it.
I'm just leaving how I feel aside and just letting you and me pass by. No, you and my feelings for you on the side so you can develop more for Angela. I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah, but I get you.
Yes, that's how I feel, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So what's the go on from here? What's the go on?
I'm, na lang, same with you. I'm just putting my feelings aside for the both of you because I don't want any
Yeah.
conflicts or any. I just don't want things to get awkward in the house. I don't want
It's not
any
even-
tension,
It's not
any.
even awkward. Do you find it awkward between us?
Kayong dalawa?
No, me and you.
Konti.
Taking things at my own pace.
Yeah, me too.
You good?
Yeah, thank you. Wait.